In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a mobile or speed camera in the Waze app. If you're an active Waze user, you know how crucial real-time updates are for a smooth driving experience. Reporting mobile speed cameras not only helps you but also assists fellow Waze users on the road, promoting a safer driving environment. So let's dive into the process step by step. First, you need to open the Waze app while you're on the road. Waze is designed to be used actively, giving you real-time updates about road conditions and potential hazards. Before you start, ensure that you're familiar with the app's layout, especially the bottom bar, which you'll use to report incidents. Once the app is open and running, look for the orange triangle icon with a plus sign inside it. This is the report icon located at the bottom right of your screen. Tapping on this icon lets you access a menu of various types of incidents and hazards you can report to the Waze community. After tapping the report icon, you'll see a list of options pop up. In this case, what we're interested in is the police option. Tap on it to proceed to the next step. This action is crucial as it narrows down the type of report you're making. Keep in mind that providing accurate information is key to maintaining the quality and reliability of Waze's data. Upon selecting police, you'll be given further options, one of which is mobile camera. This selection is exactly what you need when reporting a speed camera that's been temporarily set up by law enforcement, typically in areas prone to speeding. Choosing mobile camera ensures that other drivers are alerted promptly, helping them adjust their speeds and drive safely. The final step is to tap Send to broadcast your report to other Waze users. By doing so, you contribute to the shared network of live information that makes Waze renowned for its accuracy and effectiveness. It might seem like a small step, but tapping Send plays a big role in community-driven traffic updates. Consider this an ongoing contribution to a community that helps keep the roads safer for everyone. Keep your eyes on the road as you make these reports and use common sense to ensure your safety and that of others. Remember, never use your phone in a way that distracts you while driving. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Safe driving and see you in the next video.